Hey guys, welcome back to K Tubers. In this video, we are going to talk about 10 best platforms where we can learn and practice coding for free. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First one in the list is Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks is an open source platform where you can find many courses to learn absolutely for free. This platform is only available as a website. You can find the link in the description. The content in this platform is available as a notes. You can find practice problems to test your learning. There's no certificate provided. Next one is SoloLearn. This is a platform where you can learn a lot of courses absolutely for free. This platform is available both as a website and also as an app. You can find the link in the description. The content in this platform is available as a notes. You can find practice problems to test your learning, and also there will be tests after every lesson you learn. And finally, you can also get a certificate at the end of your course. Number 3. Udemy. Actually, this is a paid platform, but you can find many free courses in this also. Let's see how it can be done. First, go to its app or website and then search for a course. After that, click on filter button. There, go to price section. Then select free option. Now you will get all the courses which are available for free. This platform is available both as an app and website. You can find the link in the description. The content in this platform is available as a video lectures. There will be no practice problems to test your learning, but you can get a certificate at the end of your course. Number 4. 33 Schools. It is a completely open source platform. 33 Schools is a famous for web development courses, and you can also find programming languages like C, C++, Python, Java, etc. This platform is available as a website and as an app, but it is best viewed in website. You can find the link in the description box. The content in this platform is available as a notes, but there is no certificate provided. Number 5. Coursera. Coursera is a platform where you can learn many courses not only related to coding but also courses related to other subjects. All the courses in Coursera are paid courses, but you can get courses for free also. We have made a video previously about how to get certified courses for free in Coursera. So watch that video to get Coursera courses for free. This platform is available as an app and also as a website. You can find the link in the description. The content in this platform is available as video lectures. There will be tests after every lesson to test your learning. You can get a certificate at the end of your course. Number 6. edX. edX is a platform similar to Coursera. This platform is available both as an app and as a website. The content in this platform is available as video lectures. You will get tests in this platform, but you cannot get a certificate at the end of your course for free. You have to pay some amount of money for that. Number 7. Codecademy. In Codecademy, you can find many of the courses for free. This platform also available both as an app and also website, but you cannot get a certificate at the end of your course for free. Number 8. HackerRank. HackerRank is a platform where you find problem questions related to every programming languages. This platform is available as a website. You can get a certificate at the end of your completion of all the problems for free. Number 9. LeetCode. LeetCode is similar to HackerRank. LeetCode contains problems that are asked in the interviews of some companies like Google. This platform is available both as an app and also website, but no certificate is provided at the end of your course. And finally, number 10. YouTube. YouTube is one of the most underrated platforms to learn coding. There are many YouTube channels where you can learn coding for professionals absolutely for free. This is it guys, thanks for watching till the end. Do like this video if you find the content valuable. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.